Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever wondered how to handle customer refunds efficiently, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. First, sign into your QuickBooks account. If you're on the home page, head to the upper right corner and click Sign In. Make sure to select QuickBooks Online so you're in the correct environment for this task. Enter your username and password, then click Continue. If you have trouble logging in, QuickBooks offers account recovery tools to help you access your account quickly. Once you're logged in, locate the New tab, usually on the left navigation panel. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select Refund Receipt. This is where you'll process your customer refund. Next, choose the correct customer. QuickBooks will prompt you to type in their name, or you can select from an existing list. Selecting the right customer ensures your refund is accurately recorded against the correct account. Now, select the account from which the refund will be issued. This step is important because it affects your bookkeeping records, so double check that it aligns correctly. Then add the product or service details being refunded. Make sure each line of the refund receipt is filled out accurately to keep your records organized and match your reporting. Finally, click Save and Close to record the refund and return to your dashboard. If you have another transaction to record, you can choose Save and New instead. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a refund in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps helps you manage refunds efficiently and keep your records precise and up to date. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.